the party. Hey guys and gals, welcome to K6 Outdoors. My name is Kyle. All right, we're out here on a nice hot sunny day. These are the lights we're going to test out today, and I'm going to show you how we install them on the pool. It looks like they're going to be very simple. We're going to be installing these on our above ground Bestway pool we have back behind here. This is the 40 watt swim light. Got two lights on it, so there's two lights forming into one transformer here. And we're going to be putting them on the side of the pool and trying them out and seeing how they work. It is RGB controllable by a smartphone app with 8 meters of cable. They are IP68 waterproof, so no worry about causing any issues. They appear to be super easy to install, so we'll see that ourselves. Very clear lights, from what I'm understanding. They come with a 24-month warranty and have a life of 50,000 hours, so they say. So the initial impressions of these is that they're very well built. They come with some pieces to help secure them to the side of the pool. For how we're going to be using it, they do come with some adhesive in the kit if you wanted to glue these to the side of your pool and then line them up if you have an above ground or a below ground pool, that is. But in this instance, we're going to be using the magnets and sticking it through the side of the pool to keep it in place. We'll run the power down here to our GFCI outlet, which we run our pump on, and connect it all together, download the app to our phone, and try it out. So hope you guys will stick around and check it out with me. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna stick one right here on the pool towards the entrance, and we're gonna put the other one down here a little bit farther away towards the pump. Again, these are wired together to the transformer here in the middle, taking 120 volt AC, transforming it down to 12 volts so it's safe inside the pool, and then going into these. So we're gonna go ahead and install these on the side of the pool here, and we're gonna put one right here towards the entrance and one down a little farther. This is very simple to install. You take the magnet off the back. You will simply slide this down inside here. I'm going to go ahead and undo this cord here, which ties it all together. We're going to slide it down inside here. And then we're going to stick it together on the outside. Perfect. We're going to take this safety cable or retention cable off so it can't fall off the side. And we're going to bring it up out of the water and bring it to the outside tube so it secures it into place. Remember, this is completely safe. These are IP68 waterproof, so nothing to worry about destroying on the electronic side of this. And like I said before, that transformer turns that down to a low voltage, which nobody can get hurt. Many positives to that in that regard. Let's get you in there so you can take a look. So we've got that piece down here inside the pool. Hopefully you guys can see this okay. We ran her down to the outside. You can kind of see the outline of the teardrop here. Stuck in the magnet from the outside. Brought that little retention chain up here so it can't fall from the bottom of the pool, and we tied it into place. This comes right out by moving these pieces in or out. You can pull the cable out and reinsert it so it can't go anywhere. Let's go ahead and move down here and put the other one in place. Let's go ahead and run down here a little farther. The cable is plenty long in this instance. We're going to move down and around. Keep things under the legs here just so it looks tidier. There's no one going to trip on anything. And we're going to come down here and then plug it in. All right, we're going to take this one and we're going to drop it in right here. So maybe you can see it in the video, but how I'm going to do this, again, the safety or retention clip, whatever you actually want to call it, is going to go around this tube on the outside to keep the light from sliding down, or if someone accidentally bumps it, it's not going to fall into abyss, which it can't go anywhere really, to be honest with you. But all right, this is all real time too. This is not taking me hardly any time at all. I would say the easy to install claim is 100% true. What's really neat about these lights is they are controlled by a Bluetooth app through your phone. So you can just get on here and you can, bleep bloop the settings, change them to what you want, strobe colors. We'll check that out here in a minute when it gets dark so you can see the effects. But yeah, they do have super strong magnets, and I can tell you right now it's holding in place. We'll have to see what happens when we get some people in there splashing around, but so far so good. Like I said, they're 8 meters or about 26 feet of total cord to get you where you need to go. I have plenty of extra. I could go around the corner if I wanted to, but we're going to try it out and see how we like it on the side so far and go from there. let's stop back out here in a few minutes. Well, for me it'd be a few hours, for you a few seconds, and we'll see how these work in the nighttime. I'm looking forward to seeing how these work, using that Bluetooth enabled app to see what happens and go from there. I would say they're definitely worth the money so far, and check them out yourself. They have them on Amazon, and that's where I got these ones at. And yeah, check out the link below and tell me what you guys think. Just remember, these are affiliate links, so I do get a little commission off them. But it's a you know, a great way for you to support the channel and you know, keep me going and providing you guys content like this. Let's take a quick glimpse before it gets too dark, and you can kind of see what's happening. Yeah, you can see on the walls over there, a light here and a light down there. Let's check back in a couple of minutes. It's starting to set, and we'll take a gander. What I will tell you is we're playing with the strobe settings, and it's very interesting how this all works. The actual phone, you know, has some really cool features to it. Downloading the app with the instructions. Once you get in here, you'll see that it's really simple to operate. Up in the upper right-hand part of the screen here, see that little blue slidey dealy? That's what turns the lights on and off. You can change it to any number of colors that you want to change it to, whether it be red or green or blue or white. You can already kind of see in the background there the effect from the actual color changes. It's not quite, you know, dark enough to see it all. All right, just to give you an idea, again, it's not quite dark yet. The sun is just setting. It's at about almost 9 o'clock my time. And let's turn the lights on and see what happens. Instantly can see how much more it does light it up. You know, and again, it's not completely dark yet. Let's just change some settings. We can go to light blue. You know, if you want to go to just that blue again, how much it changes that color. It's pretty cool. I can't show you guys the music one because I'll get some copyright things, but basically by using the music function, it'll strobe to the sound of the song, which is kind of cool. We go to the style page at the bottom here. Hopefully you guys can see this okay. You can do static red, you can go to static blue, you go to strobe, so you know it's going to flash for you. Just do strobe purple. You can do, let's go to like a 3-way color jumping change, so you can see some different colors of the water. So let's give it a few more minutes to get completely dark, but I think you get the idea just right now, the difference in the color you're getting in the water without it being completely dark. Pretty darn neat. Off, on, off, on. Pretty cool. All right, ladies and gents, I don't know how well this camera is going to work. It's not really a low light camera by any means. It's 9 o'clock at night. I want to show you guys that. Isn't that cool? Really slick. What I will say is it doesn't seem very impressive when it's light outside, like it doesn't produce much like light, but when you turn it off, like right now, again, turn it off. Turn the light on. Huge difference. Green, light blue, dark blue. You get the idea. You know, you got some cool, I thought this was kind of cool, the strobe effect. It didn't look as, you know, as big of a deal. And the video probably isn't doing it justice, but it looks pretty cool in person, and definitely did not seem to be, oh, that's not a very intense strobe during the day, but at nighttime it makes a huge difference. It's pretty darn cool. So wanted to give you guys one last quick update here and to show you the final result. Again, it's getting dark out, bugs are out now, but one quick look at the end here, definitely pretty cool. I'd recommend it. Check it out yourself. Just remember, guys, I don't promote or tell you guys to buy something I wouldn't use myself or I don't find to be of value. This is definitely neat and it looks really cool, and I think you guys would enjoy it yourselves. Thanks again for stopping in. My name is Kyle. I'll catch you in the next one. If you guys liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. That's fine. But give me some feedback on how I can make this channel better. And if you're not a part of the YouTube family, I definitely would encourage you to subscribe and enjoy all this outdoor related stuff, whether it be pools, landscaping, buy houses, gardening, tractor things. I do all sorts of stuff. But you guys in the next one, take care of each other. We'll see you later.